In this video, we will learn how to send Facebook leads to Microsoft Excel, WhatsApp, Gmail and SMS. So let's say you are running Facebook ads, and as soon as the new lead is captured via your Facebook lead ad form, you want to add the very same lead to your Excel, and you also want to receive the notification about the same lead on your WhatsApp number, on your Gmail account and on your SMS as well. And we are going to set this automation with the help of an integration and automation software. If you also want to transfer your leads on different applications, just follow this video till end. To create this automation, I'm going to connect a Facebook lead ad form with Microsoft application, with WhatsApp, with Gmail and with SMS application. And I'm going to do this with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. You can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect. Now first, create your free account from this button. The account creation is absolutely free and you will also get free task to test this automation, that too every month. Now I'm already an existing user, that is why I am clicking on sign in access now, and this is how you will also reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Enter workflow name here. So provide any random name to your workflow. I am providing the name as send Facebook leads on Excel, WhatsApp, Gmail and SMS. Very interesting automation. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happens in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application automatically. According to our use case, whenever the lead is arrived in Facebook lead ad application, send the very same lead to Microsoft application and then further send it on the Gmail, WhatsApp and Twilio. So this is how we are going to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And here the first application will be Facebook lead ad, which I am going to connect with Pabbly Connect first, and this is how I am going to create this automation. And in trigger event, I have selected new lead instant. Click on add new connection, click on connect with Facebook lead ads, and this is how you will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Since I was already logged in to my Facebook account, that is why the authorization has been successful immediately. But it will ask you the credential of your Facebook account. So don't worry, just provide the access and you can also connect your Facebook lead ad account. Now it is asking for the page and the lead generation form. So I have created a page here, name as the home decor. Let me show you. And under this page, I have created a looking for an interior designer Facebook lead ad form. So I am going to select the same. Let me search for the home decor here. This is the page name, and in the lead generation form, I am going to select the interior designing form, looking for an interior designer. This is the form name. Let me even show you my form. This is the first page of the form, and when I will click on this forward button, you can see here I am asking the email, phone number, the full name and the phone number from the people. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, you will have to keep this page access token as it is. Now read the instructions. It is very important. After successfully subscribing for instant notification in Facebook lead ad, your workflow will begin listening to the response, and you may then submit the dummy lead information using Facebook lead ads testing tool, or you can create a test lead action in other workflow. What does that mean? Well, it is asking you to submit a dummy lead using Facebook lead ad form in case we are not running any live advertisement. Well, here I'm not running any live ads, so that is why I am also going to generate a lead with this Facebook lead ad testing tool only. Alright, so let me first click on this button save and send test request and read the instruction. It is also saying the same, that do a test submission and record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Again, I am going to search for the home decor page. This is the page which I have created, and here the form name will be looking for an interior designer. Let me preview this form. So I'm going to fill this lead generation form and will create a dummy lead, and you can create one lead per form only, and in case you want to generate more lead, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one, and you can delete the lead from this button. And this is how, if you are not running any live ads, you can actually generate a lead, a dummy lead from here. So let me again click on this preview form and let me provide the information. So I have provided the dummy details. admin@pablitudes.com is the email address, dummy user is the full name, and this is the random, just a dummy number. Going to click on next and click on submit, and you will see the same response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Waiting for the response, alright. And you can see the response is received. Let me even show you the details one by one. Here is the page ID, the form ID, entity ID. Here is the success. Here is the created time. And here you can see the lead which we have generated, the email, the phone number, and the same full name also. So everything has been captured. Now, according to our automation, we wanted to send the very same lead to multiple places. Basically, we want to add the same lead to MS Excel, and then we want to send the alerts, we want to send the notification about these leads along with the details on WhatsApp, Gmail, and via SMS also. So I am going to continue this automation, and here I will select Microsoft Excel as the action application, because I want to add the very same lead here only, and in action event I will write it as, I will select it, add row to worksheet. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Microsoft Excel. Again, provide the access of your Microsoft Excel here, and don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. And you can see again the authorization is successful. That means your Excel is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Your Excel account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now, whatever the workbooks are available in my Excel have started visible here, you can see, and I am going to select this Facebook leads workbook in my Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me search for the same Facebook leads. All right, and here in the worksheet, well, I have just a single sheet, sheet 1. So going to select the same. Well, sheet 1 is already selected. Now column A, B, C, D. Well, these are the same columns of my workbook which I have added here, and these are visible here also, since we have just connected the same workbook. Alright, same worksheet. Alright, now I am going to provide the details here in these fields one by one, and this is how these details will be automatically added here. And from where exactly I'm going to fill this data? Well, remember, we have just received the response, and I'm going to fill the same response here in these fields, but I don't need to copy the data and paste it here. Okay, read it, enter text or map data. So we are going to map it and insert the data from the previous step, and here is the previous step. And firstly, it is asking for the date. Well, where is the date? You can see here is the date and time which I am going to map here. Now asking for the name, how about I search it directly? Here is the dummy user, and again asking for the email address. Again search for the email address, admin@pablitudes.com, and finally the phone number. Here is the phone number. So I have mapped all the details, and whatever the details I am mapping here will be replaced automatically, will be changed automatically as soon as the new data will arrive here. And this is how our automation is going to take place. Now clicking on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response once again. And you can see the response is received. Let me refresh my worksheet and wait for the data to be reflected here also. And you can see the date is arrived here, the name is arrived here, the same email and phone number is also arrived here. That means first two step of our integration is actually done. Basically the Facebook lead ad form and the Excel. Now I want to send the very same lead to WhatsApp, Gmail and on my phone as well. And to send the same lead on WhatsApp, I am going to make use of WhatsApp Cloud API, which is the official API of WhatsApp. In action event, I have selected send template message. Now add new connection, and it is asking for the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So you will have to go to your developers.facebook.com account, and from here exactly you will reach to the WhatsApp Cloud API account. I am already logged into this account, that is why it is showing the my apps instead of asking for the login. Now once you will create your account here, the very first thing in order to use the WhatsApp Cloud API account is you need to create an app first and generate a permanent token. And you can see I have created several apps here. How you can create a template and generate a permanent token, the video for the same has been added in my description box. Okay, so please visit my description box, check those two videos and come back here once again. Okay, so now I am going to open my app, which is my Connect Message app, and from the left hand side I will click on this WhatsApp and then click on this getting started, and here finally I will get all these details, basically the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Well, in this video, in this connection, I am using this temporary access token which will expire in 23 hours. But I have just told you that you will have to generate a permanent token first, as explained here. Okay, asking for the phone number ID, well here it is, copy and paste it here, and finally the WhatsApp business account ID, again I have provided the same and click on save, and this is how you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect and start sending the WhatsApp messages also. Now it is asking for the template name. Well, template is something which is used for sending the WhatsApp messages to the customer, to the people, to the person, to any person. And in the second step, send message with the API, you will find an option of click here. Click on that, and this is how you will also reach to the message template section of WhatsApp Cloud API. And I'll show you that I have created several message templates in my account, and I have even get them approved first, because you will have to first create the template, get it approved via Facebook, then only you can actually start communicating with your customer. In case you are not sure how to create a template and get it approved, again I have attached the video in my description box. Now I'll show you my template which I have already created and got it approved. You can see it is active, and the name of the template is Facebook lead received. Here is the English language, and here is the header. Well, I have not attached anything in header, but in case you want to attach, you can do the same. And in media you will actually get three options to attach: the image, the video and the document. For now let me select it none, and from here exactly you can actually create your message template which you would like to send to the people. But in this case I want to receive the message, and I have created this message to receive on my number. A new lead on Facebook page has been arrived. Here is the name of the person, email, mobile number, and you can see the preview of the same from the right hand side, and this is going to be my message. This is the footer button which are actually optional, and I have not added anything. And whatever the values I have added in the form of curly braces and within the numbers in the form of numbers are going to replace every time as soon as the new lead is arrived. And you can add as many as variable as you want from this button. And after creating the template, do not forget to provide the samples. Well, samples are actually the dummy values, the random values to need to provide to these variables. Okay, click on close, and I'm going to search the same template in Pabbly Connect. Let me search for the same. Alright, Facebook lead received. Keep the language code as it is, the selected template ID as it is. Now it will ask you to provide the recipient mobile number. So here I will provide my number only. So let me provide the same. So I have again added a dummy number in front of you, but do not worry, while sending the message, I will replace this number with my real WhatsApp number, alright? And make sure whenever you provide the number, it should be with the country code and without plus sign. WhatsApp Cloud API wants the number in this particular format only. Now it is asking for the body field 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, what exactly are these? Well, these are the variable of my template. Let me tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, and in place of 1 I want the form name should appear. Well, I'm going to provide the form name manually because I did not receive any form name in the response of Facebook lead ad. So let's say interior designing form. Alright, I have added the form name. Now it is asking for further details also, and these are actually the lead details. So let me fill these details one by one. Here the name of the person will appear, alright, dummy user. Again the email of the person, and lastly the phone number. I hope you are actually understanding everything, whatever I am telling you. Okay, here is the phone number. I have provided all the details. And what was body field file? Well, it was the team name. So how about I write it as manager, or let's say Pabbly team. You can write it manually. Alright, going to click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see the response will be arrived. Well, this is the dummy number. Let me first replace this number with the real number. So I have added the real number, clicking on this button once again and waiting for the response. The response is received and the message is also arrived on my WhatsApp. Let me refresh it. And you can see the message is arrived, a new lead on Facebook page interior designing. Name is dummy user. Here's the email, phone number from Pabbly team. So this is how you can also receive the notification on your WhatsApp number about every new incoming lead, about every new Facebook leads. Proceeding further, now I am going to get this lead alert on my Gmail as well. So that is why here I will select Gmail as my action step. And in action event, send an email will be the action event. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Gmail, and again provide the access of your Gmail account via which you would like to send the emails. Click on continue and you will see the authorization will be successful, and again your Gmail account will be also connected. Well, it is asking for the recipient email address. Again, I am going to provide my email address here, but this time I am providing the dummy email address in front of you. Alright. Don't worry, I'll replace it. Now it is asking for the CC, BCC. I do not want to fill these details. Sender name, you can write it as Pabbly manager is the sender name. Alright. Email subject, new lead is arrived on your interior designing form. Okay, this can be your email subject line. Now asking for the reply to, leave it blank. Email content type, well, it should be plain only, and here is the content finally. So hello, and here my name will come. Let's say my name is test user. Okay, test client. Hello test client, we have received a new lead via your Facebook ad. Okay, ad name. Here are the details of the person, of the lead. Okay, and here I'm going to map the name, email, and here I will finally map the phone number of the lead. Basically I'm composing the email. All right, from manager, or you can write Pabbly team. So let's map these fields. Okay, in front of this name I will give a space and map the name of the person. Again, search it directly. Dummy user was the name, and here I want the email address. Again, search. Email is here. Well, okay, let me correct it. Here is the admin@pabblytudes.com, and finally the phone number. All right. and I have composed a nice email also. Going to click on this button, and in case you want to provide any attachment, any file name, you can do the same. Well, in that case I do not have any attachment. Going to click on this save and send test request. Before that, let me first replace my Gmail address with the actual one. Well, I have provided the real Gmail address also, email address. Clicking on this button, waiting for the response, and you can see the response result status is sent. Let me go back, and yes, I have also received the notification of lead on my email as well. New lead if arrived on your interior designing form. Well, by mistaken, I have made a silly mistake in my subject line. Let me correct the same. New lead is arrived. Okay, new lead is arrived on your interior designing form. Clicking on this button once again, and you will see I will receive the email once again. Okay, new lead is arrived. Where is the new message? Well, here it is. New lead is arrived on your interior designing form. Hello test client, we have received a new lead via your Facebook ad. Again a typo error. I need to fix this immediately. All right, don't worry, I can do it anytime. All right, Facebook ad, and here the client spelling also. All right, going to click on this button one last time, and I hope this time everything will look good. All right, waiting for it, and again here is the message. Hello test client, we have received a new lead via your Facebook ad. Here are the details of the lead: name, email, phone number from Pabbly. So this is how you can receive the notification on your Gmail account as well. Now finally, I am going to select the last step of this particular automation, which is receiving the notification on your SMS on your phone. For that, I will select Twilio application. Well, Twilio is actually an SMS application. In place of Twilio, if you want to select any other SMS application, you can do the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection. It is asking for the following details. Well, you can directly click on this button. Click here, and if you are already logged into your Twilio account, it will take you directly to the same section. All right, it is asking for the verification code. So I have provided the verification code and clicked on verify, and from here exactly I will receive the following details. All right, let me show you. Here click on this API keys and tokens, and here you will find your account SID. Copy and paste it here, and it is asking for the same SID twice. So again I have provided the same authorization token. Here is the primary token. I have clicked on this I button, and this is the authorization code. Click on save, and you will see your account will be connected. It is asking for the body of the SMS. How about I copy the same content which I have used in the email? Let me copy the same message because I want to send the same messages, something like that only. So I have copied the same, and I will edit it as per my requirement. I want hello test client, we have received a new lead via your Facebook ad. Here are the details of the lead, and here the name of the person will come. Okay, let me remove these existing values. All right, and here the username, basically the email of the person will come, and finally here the phone number will come. Okay, this is how I am going to send the message to the, well, here I'm not sending this message to any other person. I want to receive these messages on my number only, on my phone only, from Pabbly team. So this is the message, this is the SMS which I have composed. Let me map all these three details. Again, the name of the person, let me search for the same. Okay, here is the dummy user, email, here is the email address and phone number. Here is the phone number, and now it is asking for the recipient number and the sender number and the recipient number. Well, in the sender number I am going to provide the number provided by Twilio, and this is my trial account, so I'll use the number provided by the Twilio only. All right, let me show you where exactly you will actually get the trial number, basically the sender number. And here in the bottom section you will find a sender number. I have copied and pasted it here. Okay, I'm pasting it here. Finally, the recipient mobile number over here, I will provide my real number. Okay, so let me provide the same. Well, I have provided the number, clicking on this button and waiting for the response. Well, it is giving me an error that it is not a valid phone number. Why? Because I have actually missed this plus icon. The number should be in this particular format. Let me first correct it. So I have added the number along with the plus sign, clicking on this button once again and waiting for the response. The response is received. Let me upload the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone number. And you can see this is the screenshot of the SMS which I have received. So this is how, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automatically receive the notification on your SMS, on your Gmail, on your WhatsApp number, and you can even receive the details in your MS Excel account. And once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, simply close Pabbly Connect, because everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in backend. As soon as the new lead will arrive, the same lead will be added to MS Excel and will send to the following applications automatically. In case you want to clone this whole setup into your account, I am adding this shareable link of the same workflow in my description box, from where you can clone the same workflow into your account. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.